Look, you can do this by creating an equation, but anytime I have a story and a lot of numbers floating around and answer choices, I'd rather just guess and check. I'd rather just see it kind of work itself out using arithmetic. So might as well here. Lou, you need to still understand a couple of very important concepts, but I think they're easier to understand if we have numbers. So first of all, what are they asking? They're looking for the maximum number of boxes that this truck can tow. Well, then why don't we start with the maximum answer, right? So 39 is the biggest number. We might as well try with that one first. So the weight of the truck, or I guess the weight of the trailer is 500 pounds, but then each box, this is a rate, weighs 120 pounds. So we need to take our 39 boxes and multiply it by 120 to say, okay, what is the measurement? What is the weight of all these boxes? So that's 39 times 120, just doing that in my calculator, and I get 4,680. Now they say that the maximum weight has to be 4,600. So I'm already over that, and I haven't even factored in the 500 pounds. So in this case, I'm not going to just jump down to C. I know D is wrong. I'm going to go down to B because it feels like I'm way over, right? I'm already 80 pounds over, and I still have another 500 pounds that I would need to add in. So let's jump down to 35. This is still going to be the same step, right? We're still going to multiply 35 by 120. So 35 times 120 is 4,200, and if we add in that extra 5, now we have 4,700. So it's still too big, and that's it. That means it has to be A. Again, we can do it. We can definitely prove it here since it's the last answer. We know it has to be right, but 34 times 120 is 4,080 plus 500 is 4,580, which is just less than the 4,600 limit. So yeah, that's the way I do it. I just don't like making equations. If you wanted to do it and you said that x was the number of boxes, we would have 120x plus 500 has to be less than or equal to 4,600. So for many of you, that might be really obvious. Great, congrats. But honestly, if it is, you're probably not in this module, the easy module. You're probably in the harder one. So this is really, if you're not good at algebra, you can still save points like this by trying to avoid it and just thinking in terms of the numbers that you're given, kind of working through them one piece at a time instead of trying to create an equation which takes everything at once and it has to be perfect. If you're doing it little pieces, it's less likely you make a careless mistake because you only have one thing on your mind at once.